Hi everyone! Kamusta naman kayo dyan? It's nice to be back. It's been 2.5 years simula nung umalis ako papunta ng Qatar. At syempre, miss ko na kayo. Kamusta naman kayo dyan? Lalong-lalo na kayo, batches 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Even batch 6. Sana magkita-kita tayo. Actually, meron kaming ino-organize na dinner fellowship this coming May 28, Saturday at 5 p.m. Sana you will find time in your busy schedule to just come and catch up. Alam nyo, simula nung umalis ako dito sa 180 degrees, madami na nagbago and I would really love to share kung ano yung nakita ko at na-observe ko. So, please do come and I would love to see you there. Kita kits! May 28, Saturday, 5 p.m. dito sa Ministry Center ng 180 degrees. Mabuhay!